You're probably wondering, what am I doing? Well, I am packing for a field trip. Bam. Now, I'm going to show you guys the list. And the field trip I'm going on, this is on a Thursday, so I won't be able to record, but I will be recording like moments there too. By the way, this is my face. Hi. But I am going to OMSI, Portland, as a field trip, obviously, on Thursday through Friday. I will record 2 times on Friday to make up for Thursday, even though it's not my fault, but I'll still do it. But one of those videos are going to be like recordings from the field trip, obviously. And if I didn't, then, well, frick me, so. But here it is. I can't really show you the bottom of it because it has like important information on it. So like the bottom I can't show, so there you go. So yeah, it says OMSI Portland Zoo Field Trip, Thursday, March 8th to Friday, March 9th. Student packing list. Okay. So this is like, I'm going to do for the bus first. So this is like for the bus. Like, so, well, no, it sucks. Usually when we went to like a Bend, we were allowed to bring our bags inside, but we can't do it this time, which kind of sucks. So, yeah. I'm bringing a bag this time because it's going to be like really, really wet under the bus because Portland's probably going to be really, really wet because it's probably been raining a lot later than it has been here. So, yeah, perfect. As I was saying though, you can't bring your bag into the bus. Yeah, the only thing you can bring in here is that for actual OMSI. It kind of sucks. So, what else was I going to say? Oh yeah, and for the bus, I'm going to be bringing this little bag right here that I used, but it kind of like, it didn't fit my binder, so. Well, show the bottom for a second, sorry. Alright, this is for the bus. Backpack with items to help keep you happy. A little happy. Electronics, books, toys, supplies, snacks, etc. Now, I'm not going to be putting snacks in there yet, because it's obviously a Saturday. It's not even close to Thursday yet. Next Thursday, by the way.
But wait, Samantha, are you going to be vlogging the trip?
Yes, I am going to be vlogging the trip. I already established that. You're stupid. Just kidding. Oh my god. That was my brother, by the way. Go subscribe to him. Link will be down below. Anyways.
Subscribe to me, not her.
Shut up. Okay. So, I'm going to be putting stuff in there, so. Alright. So, the first thing I'm going to be bringing in my little bag are 2 little books. One is going to be for drawing, which is this one right here. I got this from a Walmart. It's like just a little wolf, but this is going to be for my coloring. I already colored some crap in it, but it kind of sucks, so. I'll also be showing you guys some coloring I made. Where was the one I just passed? Here we go. This kind of sucks. I don't like it. I don't know why I kind of drew this. But I drew this, in February of 27th, 2018.
Laptop's charged.
Okay, thank you. I'm also going to be bringing my laptop. I'm just kidding. I can't. God dang it.
Oh, it
And
says electronics, so would you be able to? Or is it too
no,
big?
only small electronics.
Is it too big? Is what you're trying to say?
Yeah, can that possibly fit in that? No. If my binder can't fit in there, so can't my laptop. Anyways. So yeah, this is going to be for drawing. Drawing only. But this is going to be for little notes and my diary, kind of. It's not actually a diary. I also drew in here. This is going to be for like saying like what's happening. So I obviously can't do it on in OMSI, so I won't be able to do that. But I will be also doing like time, like what time it is, because of my phone I can see what time it is on my phone and the day. So yeah, I'm also gonna be showing you guys that in another video after my field trip. By the way, you won't see that video coming until Friday, probably in the night or Saturday, because you know, I obviously can't I also will be doing recordings, like I already said, but I can't upload any videos on there because it'll really suck. Or live stream. No, not about that. Anyways, so I got my bag right here, just as you can see, and shut up, and I'm going to be, I don't know, putting both of these in here. I'm just gonna be putting them flat because I also need to somehow stick my lunchbox in here as well. So, oh yeah, electronics. I'm gonna bring my tablet and my phone. So this is my tablet. As you can see, my tablet's very, very dirty. But I'm going to be bringing, oh, you can see my reflection. I'm upside down, hi. But I'm also going to be bringing my tablet, too. I'm going to put this flat down as well. Flat down in there. It's very heavy already because of my tablet, but this is what it kind of looks like so far. It's just, you know, black, basically, right now. Oh, I'm also going to be using a Sharpie to write my stuff, too. It's actually, it looks blue, but it's actually like a peach color, so. Screw physics. I'm going to be putting that in like a pocket here. And I'm also going to be bringing a red one and a purple one. And I don't know where my pencils are, but I also will be bringing my pencils as well. I'm going to put these with the Sharpie because my, you know, thing doesn't have much room. By the way, sorry if this recording thing sucks. I'm not really used to doing this stuff. I'm just used to playing Roblox, but you know. Anyways, that's basically it. That's gonna make me happy. But, I guess I'll bring like. Honestly, I think that's it. Alright. What else? We're the best. A sack lunch for Thursday if you're not to sign up for one provided by school. Okay, I already signed up for that. Cool. Coat, hat, umbrella, camera, for walking around the zoo. So I already have a coat, which I'm gonna obviously wear, but I also luckily got this from a mall. I think it was like on like Christmas holiday or something. But I also got this, and it says it's all about meow, and it's pink, and it has little cat ears too. So I'm going to be bringing this on the field trips. Very, very soft. So I'm just going to place that in there too. Perfect. Okay, what else? Backpack remain on the vest and not brought into OMSI. Okay, that's basically it. Now for OMSI, which is going to go in the big bag. One large bag could be a large black plastic bag. To put everything in the bag needs to have a child's name on it, so I'm going to masking tape. Okay. Sleeping bag, pillow. I have a pillow, not a sleeping bag, so. Now we're just going to move this out of the way. We'll be putting more stuff in there, probably. But this is the big bag that I have. It's not black. It's actually just, you know, white. But I'm just gonna like bring a simple little pillow. I'm gonna bring this. It's just super, super simple, you know, just like pink. And it fits my head well, pretty well. So, yeah, I'm just gonna bring that. So how am I gonna put this in there on camera? I don't know. It's probably just like that. Hey, you guys see my reflection. Hi. Let's just put this in here. We'll try to. It's probably gonna not work though. Come on. Get in. The struggle right now, I swear to God. the freaking struggle. There we go. Okay. Perfect. Well, I've got my little pillow in. Yay. Alright. Now I need to fit a sleeping bag in here. I will be right back. So I couldn't actually get the sleeping bag. My mom says she'll do it later. Well, I actually have a lot of time, so I don't really blame her. So I'm just going to get all my clothes and stuff, but that's not going to be it. I won't record the rest, but, you know, it's just going to be like a semi-packing video. I'm not going to obviously show all of it. But, where's my list? There it is. Well, I lost it for a second there. Okay. Let's see. There has to be some toothbrush, toothpaste, any other toiletries. Oh, yeah, again, get that later. Appropriate bedtime clothing. Okay. Clothes for Friday. One bag and obviously everything needs to be placed inside the bag. Alright. I'm going to go get some clothes gathered. So I'm going to move my chair. And yes, this is the chair I always use when I record. Get on. Lift. I lifted it. Come on. Dude. Get out. Okay. Alright. Yes, this is the chair I use. But I'm going to go get some clothes now. Clothes. I got my clothes now. And I'm just going to put them in the bag. So, basically, this is going to be my bedtime clothing. It's just like really, really light. But, you know, I don't really care. So what I like to do for my clothing, fold it up and roll it. The reason why I like to roll it, I won't be able to show you guys. But the reason why I like to roll it is because it makes more room and saves room. So yeah. But see, look how much more space that I now have. So I'm just going to shove that right there. Obviously, right there. And this is also going to be what I'm sleeping in. Yeah, again, short sleeve, but who cares? I don't really care. Yeah, I'm going to roll it up. Now, some people fold them, but I don't. Especially if you're going on, like, a field trip for a week, then I suggest rolling them up, because you're going to need a lot of clothes for each day. You can't just wear the same clothes, that would really stink. Alright. So this is going to be for next day. Underwear, obviously. I'm just going to roll that up as well. Obviously not going to show you guys my underwear. You guys might see it. It's just like purple underwear. Put that back there as well. And my foot's really itchy. Yeah, again, for next day. Here it is. It's just like a gray little shirt, you know. Nothing much to it. But rolling it up definitely makes it have more room. Which is really good. Yeah, again, especially on a week. And then we got pants. It's just black. Now, I'm not going on a week. I'm only going for a day. So I don't need that much clothes. I only need clothes for like one day and for sleeping. Just like Ben. But, you know. Now we fold it. Go. I still rolled it. It's really hard to roll pants. But, you know. Since I couldn't find any other socks, I'm just wearing Hello Kitty socks. I'm not going to roll them up because it's already rolled up enough. So, yeah. And I think that's basically all the main things. Oh, wait, no. deodorant. Now the reason why I need deodorant is the teacher said we need deodorant so we don't stink up the whole room. So here you go, just got some deodorant, you know. Just regular lavender. It also has like a little thing, so, and then wish you guys could smell it. It smells really good actually. But yep. I'm putting that in the bag too because, you know, for Auntie, obviously. Alright. I'll also put some on before I go. So that's basically it, you guys. That's basically all I need right now. My mom said that she's going to do the rest like on Wednesday or something. So, I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, leave a thumbs up and subscribe. I'm going to put this right here. And obviously I'm not done with my bag. So I'm just going to tie it up. And close it. There. So, hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, give a thumbs up, and I already said this, and subscribe for more videos. So, yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. And I'm going to tape back up my webcam because I don't want anyone spying on me. Like, creepers. You know what I'm saying. By the way, if you guys want to see on the secret vlogs, I don't really post much on that anymore. So, probably going to take that channel down, but, you know, why is that stuck? Oh, that makes sense. Makes plain sense. It's out of tape. I have more washing tape. But I'm going to tape up my webcam. First, let me get more tape to actually tape up my webcam. And today, I'm not going to record again today because, yet again, getting ready for field trip. And I'm going to be recording another video tomorrow. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video. And I'm going to use this pink washi tape. See? Pretty pink. Sorry for the talking about in the background, by the way. But I hope you guys enjoyed. And I'm going to tape on my webcam now, like I keep on saying. That's not sound. It's weird. That's a lot of tape, by the way. But I'll see you guys when I'm not taped up. Or when I just do Roblox videos. So, hope you guys enjoyed. Bye. Peace.